question is going to be very simple. They are given the one chart available, and they are given the variation of states with respect to the mobile phones sold. Okay, so let's pick the mobile phones sold, and the totals. So that means what sold out mobiles are 120 million units, and here how many units they have asked only for Karnataka region. Okay, sold in million in terms of millions, because they are given in terms of millions also. Look at Karnataka. The Karnataka is given by a light blue, is it right? So dark blue for Madhya Pradesh, and then like a simple white for Telangana. Okay, everything you can find. So totally 120 million is available, is it right? And if you just go for making the percentage, what is the percentage of Karnataka? It's 40. 40 divided by 100. So automatically if you do cancel this one, automatically if you go for this, and if you just go for this one, of course the 48, is it right? So you will get the 48 as answer. It's very simple by looking at the graph. So always listen here in some clue I give you. Okay, so if there comes a percentage, means you make it as multiply by, oh sorry, so that means what, you have to divide it by 100, is it right? So for example 50% means 50 by 100. And if they give in the form of degree, okay, in the form of a degree means always you make the answer divided by 360. Okay, you have some variations. Okay, if anything means comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.